Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make a DIY firework gerb, and I'm going to be using E-match as you can see here. Alright, we're going to start by making our composition. We're going to do 0.15 of potassium perchlorate, and then 0.15 of magnesium powder, and then 0.7 of titanium. So you should come to about 1 gram of composition. Stir that up. There we go, and then we're going to set that to the side. And get our 2 pieces of cardboard. This is going to be the base, and this is going to be what makes the tube. We're going to start by making the tube. So I'm going to get a piece of masking tape. Set that off to the side. And I'm just going to be using this. You can use a pencil or whatever. Just be wrapping it around it. Like so. There you go. We'll just use that tape and tape it off. I'm going to put a little more tape on it just to hold everything together. There we go. Now I'm going to turn the hot glue gun on and get it heating up. Alright, and while that's heating up, I'm going to go ahead and get a awl and poke a hole about 1/4 inch from the top. And then I'm just going to use a pair of scissors to open the hole up a little bigger so the E-match will fit through there. Alright, now that the hot glue gun is warmed up, I'm just going to take our tube, and you can see where we've poked the hole. I'm just going to go to the other end of the tube, the bottom end, and just put some hot glue in there, build it up, and just put that right in the middle of our base plate there. Then I'm just going to use some more hot glue to go around and just put a bead to support it better. Just like that. Alright, now that that is dried a little bit, just going to take our composition here, pour it into this piece of paper just to make it easier to put in there. And pour that down in there. Make sure to get it all in there. Just like so. And now I'm going to take E-match and put it in through that hole we made. And make sure to get it down to where it's touching the powder. And now I'm just going to take another piece of masking tape, hold this down against the tube, and just tape around it. Holding that E-match wire against the tube, covering up the hole and holding everything in place. Alright, there we go. Now it's time to go test this out. Alright guys, so I've got it hooked up to the electric ignition system. I'm just going to be maybe like 20 feet back pushing a button, so I'll be perfectly safe. But let's see how it works.
Alright guys, that was maybe a little bit more aggressive than I was hoping for, but you can always just dilute it more with the titanium. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.